In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit customer information in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to update a customer's profile, whether it's their billing details, shipping information, email address, or payment terms, QuickBooks Online makes the process straightforward. Keeping customer records accurate is important because it helps prevent invoicing mistakes, delivery issues, and communication problems later on. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do. To begin, look to the left-hand menu inside QuickBooks Online and click on Sales. This section is where you manage customer-related activity, including invoices, payments, and customer profiles. After that, select Customers to open your full customer list. Once you're on the Customers page, find the customer whose information you want to update. You can scroll through the list manually if you only have a few customers, or if your list is longer, you can use the search bar to speed things up. Typing in the customer's name will usually be the quickest way to locate the correct record, especially if you're making frequent updates. When you've found the right customer, click on the customer's name to open their profile. This profile contains the details QuickBooks uses across your transactions, so it's a good idea to review the information carefully before making changes. That way you can confirm you're editing the correct account and avoid updating the wrong profile by mistake. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Edit. This will open the customer information form where you can update the details you need. Depending on what needs to be changed, you might edit billing information, shipping details, email addresses, or payment terms. Take a moment here to make sure everything is entered accurately, since even small errors can affect invoices, customer communication, or payment expectations. After you've made your updates, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, the customer's profile will reflect the new information, and QuickBooks Online will use those updated details moving forward. That's all it takes to edit customer information in QuickBooks Online. As a helpful habit, it's a good idea to review customer records regularly and update them as soon as changes come in. This keeps your books cleaner and helps your workflow stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.